How long will it take to get my money back? If you're thinking about investing in automatic car wash, chances are this is the first question on your mind. And honestly, it should be. Every smart investor wants to know one thing before making a decision. When will this investment start making proof profits? The truth is, there is not one fixed answer that fits every business. Anyone who promises you an exact payback period without understanding your location, customer traffic, or business model is simply guessing. The real answers depend on how well your business is planned from the beginning. Let's think about it this way. Imagine two gas stations buying the exact same automatic car wash. One is located on a busy highway with thousands of vehicles passing every day. The other sits on a quiet road with very little traffic. The machines are identical, but the result will be completely different. That's why the machines itself is only one part of the equation. The first key to recovering your investment faster is location. Businesses with high vehicle traffic naturally have more opportunity to convert drivers into paying customers. Gas station, automotive service center, dealership, fleet maintenance facility, and parking lot already have vehicles arriving every day. Instead of spending money attracting new customers, you are adding value to customers you already have. The second factor is operating efficiency. The Go&Go automatic car wash system is designed to maximize productivity while keeping operating costs under control. Every wash follows an automatic sequence. You have personal rewards, sub-body process, dedicated wheel cleaning process, and optional undercarriage washing and air drying. One operator supervises the process, while the machine performs the heavy work, helping reduce labor costs and deliver consistent quality with every wash. The third factor is something many investors overlook: repeat customer. A customer who enjoys a fast, professional wash today is much more likely to return next week or next month. They might also recommend your business to friends, family, or colleagues. Over time, customer loyalty becomes one of the biggest drivers of long-term profitability. That's why investing in quality equipment is not just about cleaning cars, it's about creating an experience people trust. Another advantage is that an automatic car wash does not have to stand alone. For gas station, it's complement fuel cells. For repair garage, it's add value to every service visit. For parking facility, it creates a completely new revenue stream from existing space. Instead of relying on a single source of income, your business begins generating revenue in multiple ways. So how long does it take to recover your investment? The honest answer is this. It depends on your location, customer volume, pricing strategy, and daily operation. But when those elements are planned correctly, an automatic car wash can become a long-term asset that generates steady cash flow year after year, not just until the investment is recovered, but long after. If you are serious about investing, don't rely on average number from the internet. Let's go evaluate your actual business, estimate your vehicle traffic, and calculate a personalized return on investment analysis based on real operating conditions. Because smart investments are not built on promise, they are built on numbers, planning, and high business partner. Contact Go&Go today and discover how quickly your location could begin generating returns with an automatic car wash system designed for long-term success.